Today we're going to be making chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. We're going to start by cooking up some bacon, followed by the chicken breast that has been butterflied and pounded down to about a 1/4 inch thick. Place the bacon on top of the chicken, glue it all together with some provolone cheese. Then we'll assemble everything with some shredded lettuce, some thinly sliced tomatoes, and ranch dressing, all on a garlic butter toasted bun. Your taste buds are in for a treat. My name is Rich. This is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Let's get cooking. First step to the chicken bacon ranch sandwich is to get the bacon on the flat top. I have some thick sliced bacon here, so we'll get that over there and get these sizzling up. While the bacon is cooking, we'll start with butterflying and pounding down our chicken breasts. And we'll just start with getting the excess fat off of these, best that we can. And then we're going to start with just butterflying them right in half. And right down the middle. I'm going to put each of these just into a freezer bag so we can pound them down a little bit. If you slice them thin enough, this one's thin enough. This one looks good, so it's just these two. We'll pound them down a little bit just to try to get everything relatively equal thickness. Now we're just going to season these up with just a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and fresh cracked pepper. And be pretty liberal with it. It'll help us with a nice crust, nice searing crust when we get these on the flat top. So that's the onion and garlic powder, kosher salt, and just for a little bit of color we'll go with some smoked paprika. And same thing for the other side. Just flip them over and rinse and repeat. Give our bacon a flip. Okay, chicken's ready for a flat top, so we'll get them on there along with the bacon and get these things going. And we're just going to push some of this bacon grease around to sear the chicken in. Meanwhile, we've got about a half a stick of salted butter and 3 cloves of minced garlic melting in our pan here for the buns. We let those go for about 7 minutes and then give them a flip. And I almost forgot the cracked pepper. So we're going to hit that now. Okay, bacon's done, so we're going to pull that off and just set it to the side until we need it. Chicken's looking good. As soon as we get the bacon off, we will flip the chicken over. And we're getting close. Get these flipped over. That is gorgeous, man. This one's going to take a few minutes longer because it's a little bit thicker, but that's alright. Alright, we'll let these go for another 5 minutes or so. We'll check the temperature, make sure we're above 165. And then we'll get the buns down. We're just going to scrape the griddle down to get ready for the buns. Alright, so we're just going to butter the inside and the outside of the buns. I'm only buttering 3 of them because I have a picky eater who doesn't like a toasted bun. We're going to do the insides first. That way when we flip them over, we can start building the sandwiches right on the griddle. Just give them a press, and these will toast up pretty quick. While they're sitting there, we'll go ahead and hit the bottoms of them. Yeah, the chicken's about done. It's about 155. The bigger piece sliced a few minutes ago, but we're going to start building this stuff now. Leave them on the griddle. As they're cooking, we'll get everything put together and cheese melted. I like leaving the bacon long, not cutting it, because it's the same length as the chicken breast. And then we have extras left over for a snack. For our provolone on top, once it melts, it'll help keep everything together. Give our buns a flip. Just going to rearrange these because we're going to throw the steaming lid on top of them. That one covered. That one covered. And to help the cheese melt, give it a shot of water just to steam everything up. Buns are done, so we'll get those pulled. Now the big reveal, our cheese, nice and melted. Okay, chicken's done. We're gonna get them over here and start building the sandwich. We'll start with some ranch dressing, the bottom part of the bun, and some shredded lettuce, and then we'll get the chicken on them. Top it off with some thinly sliced tomatoes. More ranch dressing right on top. And the crown. Tell me those don't look gorgeous. Let's cut one of these open and see how we did. And by the way, yes, I did wash my knife. Look at that. Perfectly cooked chicken, ranch, bacon. Doesn't get any better than that. Alright, you know I gotta take a bite of this. Y'all know it's good, man. Ranch, bacon, chicken, tomato, lettuce, with garlic butter on the bun. Phenomenal. This is probably one of the best sandwiches I've made. So that's it. Another quick video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody's time, and we'll see you next time.